Hey, welcome to Fixit. Today, I will show you how to get Christmas hat on Snapchat. Let's go. Do you want to add some holiday spirit to your Snapchat profile when any holiday or festival season arrives? You can have your Bitmoji wearing a Santa Claus hat and instantly spread joy to all your friends. First of all, open up the Snapchat application. Then tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on this cloth hanger looking icon over here. Once you are on this screen, you can change all the clothing on your Bitmoji avatar. So go ahead and tap on the hat icon over here. Once you are here, you will see all kinds of hats and headwear. Scroll down to the bottom. Since there are a few months left in Christmas, so the hats are at the bottom. If you do the same thing when Christmas is near, you will notice that the hats will be at top. Now you'll see all the Christmas-themed hats. First one is the Santa Claus hat. The second one is the elf hat. The third hat is the reindeer hat. And the fourth hat is a Christmas tree hat. I'm simply going to select the Santa Claus hat, but you can select any hat you like. Once you've selected a hat, tap on the Save button at the top right corner of the screen. Now you have successfully added a Santa Claus hat to your Bitmoji. Thanks for choosing Fixit again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.